Hello, and welcome to the show. My name is Jamie. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode. New episodes every Wednesday, and today we are talking about freeing up space in your phone. Have you ever gotten that dreaded message that says you're running low on storage space or your phone is just acting a little weird? And maybe it's because you're stressing it out with all the stuff you're storing. So today I'm inviting you to set a timer. You know that is my favorite way of getting things done. And my guess is if you stay focused, in just 2 minutes, you'll be able to delete some stuff from your phone that should have been deleted a long time ago. So if you are feeling inspired to tidy up your digital footprint and organize your life, today is the day. We're going to set that timer for just 2 minutes, which means you're going to have to stay super focused with your phone in your hand. I know it can be really tempting to start doing a whole bunch of other stuff, but you are here for the next 2 minutes solely focused on deleting photos you don't need from your camera roll. So did you take 6 in a row? One you love, 5 are blurry or a little off kilter, or you just don't need them all. Choose the best of the best. Can you delete apps that you're no longer enjoying or using? How about text messages from months and months or years and years ago, most especially those that have videos or GIFs or things that you've sent and they're animated, they're taking up a lot of space. How about downloads? When's the last time you went into that download folder? Did you download the menu from the local restaurant or other documents and things that you simply don't need anymore? Or for all of this, if you need it, can you offload it from your phone and send it to yourself in your email or put it up in the cloud or on a drive? So that's going to free up space in your phone. Don't forget to delete old contacts that you no longer need and anything else that you can do to tidy up that phone. That's going to include that home screen where maybe it's just so confusing because you have so many apps and icons. Go ahead, put stuff in folders so you can easily find it. For example, a folder for all of your banking, a shopping folder for all your icons and all your apps for shopping. So that's going to declutter that home screen or the first few screens of your phone. So are you ready? Today we are decluttering tech and we are beginning with your phone. Don't forget to label your phone charger so you know which charger goes to your phone and you can always find it. I can't wait for you to go ahead and set that timer for just 2 minutes. Challenge yourself to see how much you can delete in the next 2 minutes, and if you want to do it again. But it's a little burst, a short jump start, a great way to get and stay motivated. Let's tackle that phone today. I'll see you next Wednesday for a brand new show. Thanks so much for tuning in, hitting subscribe, and always commenting so that I can be sure to share with you the ideas and you can share your successes when you implement them. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great week. See you next Wednesday.